Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel where we talk about tech, toys, and life. So right now, let's talk about tech. Yung pinaka-una nating tech unboxing na gagawin for this channel. So first is i-unbox natin si iPad Pro. Next is si Apple Pencil. Then lastly, si Airpods. So, unahin na natin si iPad Pro. Yeah. Oh. Ito na guys, i-unbox na natin. Mahirap lang pala. Di ba? So ito na siya, unboxed. So muna natin to. Okay, put it aside. Check natin first ano yung laman. So designed by Apple in California, so obviously alam nyo naman kung ano yung mga laman nito, mga instructions and stickers. Then andito yung charger na USB Type-C, and then yung cable. So pretty much same from all other Apple products. Okay, next. Oh, ipis lang pala niya. Okay, unbox na natin to. Wow. Nice. Okay, let's try if may battery. Okay, so it's booting up. So next to unbox is the Apple Pencil Generation 2, and yeah. Oops, sorry. Ito pala. May tab sa gilid. Hilahin nyo lang natin. So, okay, so design by Apple in California again. Bunch of instructions and the main item, which is the Apple Pencil. Okay, so if you guys know, the Apple Pencil Gen 1 is medyo glossy. This one, matte finish na siya. And at the same time, merong flat. Kasi yung Apple Pencil 1 is below siya. So, bakit ganon? Kasi meron na siyang magnet. So, yan. So, sabi, matibay daw siya. Hindi daw siya basta-basta nalalaglag. And I guess, matibay nga. So, ito na siya. Setup ko lang. So while nagsa-setup siya, this is the Space Gray 64 gig Wi-Fi only. So I don't think I need naman na Wi-Fi cellular since I have my own SIM card and I can just share data if ever I need. Sa labas, dito naman sa bahay may Wi-Fi, so I think it's not that important for me. Okay, so ito yung setup ng Face ID. So, get started. Okay, now unboxing the Airpods with wireless charging. So, wala siyang full tab kagaya ng iPad Pro and ng Apple Pencil. So, kailangan pa natin ng unboxing na. Okay, put that on the side. So, na siya guys. Whoops. There you go. Okay, ito na siya. Sobrang liit lang pala talaga. And then when you pull this tab, ando doon yung charging na which is lightning cable. So, yun lang, iba-iba yung cables sa iPad, Type-C, sa Airpods, and sa phone ko, which is iPhone 8 lang naman, lightning pa rin yung cable. So, iba-ibang cables pa rin yung gagawin. So, yeah. Battery, yes, battery. Okay, let's try to connect it with the iPad. So, and guys, as you can see, open. Connect siya agad. Bilis. So, makikita mo 73% yung Airpods and yung charging case 70%. Okay, so that's it for now. Catch me in the next YouTube video and kwentuhan tayo ulit. Bye!